Now we are ready to start. Our first trading currency pair is CHF GPI. We have right now opened buy position. Why did we do this? Firstly, because we have broken through the middle line of the channel, confirming that buyers are ready to push the price higher. Moreover, according to the ADX, we can clearly see that currently we're in a strong buy zone, so that's why we have bought this asset, investing our whole deposit of $136. And yep, so the first trade is closed with profit, and we have $261 on the account right now, and we are ready to continue pumping our deposit. That's why give me several seconds to analyze the market and find the next currency pair for today's trading session. Let me change our investment to $261.17. Yes, I decided to put all deposit in the investment, even the cents. Anyway, we have opened sell position right now. Why did we open it? Yes, I know that we're staying on the bottom line of the channel right now. But according to the divergence in the volumes, we can clearly understand that we have the prevalence of the sellers on the market right now. Moreover, this is like third attempt to break through the bottom line of the channel. And due to the fact that all pullback reactions failed to break through the middle line of the Donchian channel when the price was trying to grow, we can be sure that we are now under strong pressure from the sellers, and highly likely the third attempt will be successful to break through the bottom line, the support line zone of the current channel. Anyway, just several seconds left, and yes, as I told you, this trade was closed with profit. We have $501 on the account right now, and we are ready to continue. Let me open buy position here, because as you can see, we have broken through the upper edge of the Donchian channel, having gathered the stop losses of the sellers, and now we are ready to continue growing. So that's why we have invested our money in this trade. And moreover, we are above two moving averages, what is telling us that we are currently in the buy zone. Done. One more profitable trade. $962 on the account right now. Let me change our investment. We are going all in right now once again. All our deposit of around $1,000 is invested. We have opened sell position. This trade is similar to the one we had like 2 minutes ago when we were opening sell position at the same market structure when price was trying to break through the bottom line of the channel, and this trade was successful. So the current formation that we're observing right now is absolutely corresponds to the previous one. Moreover, we have already received additional confirmation. As you can see, price has just now broken through the support line zone. We have gathered the stop losses of the buyers, and this is our additional fuel for the continuation of the current drop. By the way, guys, while you're watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you'll get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. This is right now, and be with me. Link in the description. So, while I was talking, the previous trade was closed with profit, as I was predicted. Now we have AUD USD. We have opened buy position because price has broken through the middle line of the Donchian channel, confirming the buy zone, confirming the continuation of the current growth. So that's why we have invested our money here. Let's wait and see what will we get from here. So, yep, this trade is also profitable. What do we have? $3,548 on the account. It's a really amazing result. As you can see, we're going all in each trade. Today, we're not even leaving like 50 bucks on the account. We're doing our best. Now we'll open the last trade. We have opened sell position in the Audi CAD currency pair. It was done because, as you can see, we're moving in the strong straight down going channel, which is not even followed by any kind of upgoing corrections. So according to the current structure, we can be sure that price will continue dropping, and that's why we decided just to follow the trend and open sell position here. And yes, guys, as I predicted, we right now did it. Just look at the crazy amount of money that we have on the account, $6,813. This looks really awesome, my friends. If you want to have the same amount of money in your account, it's absolutely possible. Just right now, open the description to this video and follow it. Subscribe to my TG, where you will get all the materials to study and become professional trader. So don't waste your time. Do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. See you all, kiss you all, and bye bye.